Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by signing into OneDrive and confirming your device is linked. This grants the app permission to upload. Once signed in, open OneDrive settings and enable camera upload or choose folder sync so photos transfer automatically. Make sure you pick the correct source folders like camera roll or a custom album and set upload to Wi-Fi only if you want to save mobile data. This gets the pipeline running so new photos appear in the cloud immediately. Now you'll organize and fine-tune how OneDrive stores photos so retrieval is simple. Create folders by year, month, or event and move existing images in. OneDrive will keep that structure in the cloud. Next, use selective sync on PC to remove local copies while preserving cloud versions, which frees disk space. Also, go into camera upload options and pick upload quality and whether to allow cellular uploads. These choices control bandwidth. Finish by verifying access and sharing so photos are useful. Open the OneDrive app or web, confirm folders synced, and mark key albums for offline access. When you share, generate a link and set view or download permissions depending on the recipient. If something goes wrong, uploads stuck or missing files, first check your OneDrive storage quota, app permissions to photos, and network connection. Then restart the app or re-link your account to resume syncing. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.